definitely have like a wheel hop, so, and I have a lot of like wheel spin too when I just launch it from, you know, from zero. But you can see the hood come up. Watch. See, it comes up. But yeah, that's how it looks right now. Before the installing the front mount, the front upper torque mount. Yeah, it's just that the thing is when you have a wheel hub, it's like you're putting a little bit more pressure on the engine. Like when it comes back, when it kind of comes up, it's like your horsepower that you have added with the K-tuner, whatever modifications you have done, is like it's there, but it's like up in the air, like wheel spinning in one spot. So that's how it feels right now. So after the upper torque mount, once the engine torque mount is installed, a lot of people say it's going to stay on the ground and more traction control, and you'll feel more torque and the horsepower that you have added to your car with the modifications. So we're gonna give it a shot and install that. And right now it does a wheel hop. So alright, so I finally got the part, the torque mount, upper engine torque mount. We're gonna install it. I'll put the link in the description below for the proper, like the right fitment. This is perfect. So keep watching. We're about to install it right there. This is where it's gonna go. There you go. And so we're gonna need the 9/16 right here. Focus, there you go. 9/16, it should go right here. This one, and then that bolt. That bolt has the mark, so make sure this one stays up, because we're gonna replace this back where it is, so you don't mix up the bolts when it's when you're installing it. It's gonna take a little pressure, but it should be done. And get rid of this crappy plastic piece that comes with it. There we go. My brother came from Ohio. He's helping me out. Long time no see. He watches my videos, but now he's actually sitting in the car. He's excited. There you go. Yeah, you can do it by hand, the rest of it, and when it comes out, make sure, yeah, there you go, the top piece comes with it. The second bolt. That's a nice trick. That's a technique right there he showed you guys.
Yeah, you don't have to
just punch it.
Yeah, a little bit, just hit it like by hand, and it's gonna go very smooth and easy. You don't have to pressurize, or otherwise you're gonna hit your finger. So
yeah,
this is the best way to do that, and it's just coming out pretty soon. There you go.
Bolt is out.
This is for the back.
Yeah, he's gonna put it aside, and then it slides right out.
There you go.
So let me show the stock one.
Let me open that one.
So it's the stock one right here. The long side comes down, and I think even on top it says up. See right there? So you keep it up. This is all plastic. That's the other one. So big comparison, guys. So the longer side is gonna go down. Yeah,
that's good. Yep. So we put it back.
Yeah, just line it up.
Yeah.
And then make sure you transfer this that black piece right there to the new one.
That's going in.
Yeah, now the second one.
And the second one, which is you mark that one.
Finally, this is done. Look at that. That's what happens when you're in stage 2. Wheel hop. You could definitely tell. See, I filled a lot of them. There you go. Yeah, I see the top one. I got the top one.
No, I think it's not in there. Yeah.
Just move it to the
There
side.
too. A little bit wiggle it.
Maybe move to the left or somewhere.
I'll do that first for the back. Let's see.
Should go through.
Oh no, we have a
No, it's not.
issue on that. But see, it's
Oh, it should fit. My frames should fit up.
hold on, wait.
No.
Yeah,
See?
yeah.
There we go.
Now it's fit.
If
You have to just push it back.
If you have the same issue, like you think it's not fitting, just push it back a little bit. This one. Enough. Yeah, guys, so that's the Puro intake hose right here. It's wrapped with a heat shield to prevent heat air from the downpipe coming in, mixing in with the cold air. In here, I got the K&N filter in there. It's like maroon color red, 50% more airflow. Put the link in the description below as well for this. Yeah, so it gives a lot more air, and this is direct air going through. And there you go, putting some pressure on there. So after you drive it, maybe, you know, for a day or two, you could re-tighten it, and that's it, you'll be set. But he's got enough power, so I trust him. There you go, that's nice.
Yeah, it's done.
Top one's good too?
Yep.
Nice. Yeah, guys, so I'll give you guys a video on the difference, see how it feels. So keep watching. Guys, that made a huge difference. With the upper mount, it made a huge difference. Like, it's more torque. I do feel more power with it. The car does not have any, like, you know, wheel hops anymore. When you hit the gas, it just goes. So it's really nice. I love it. It's nice. You definitely feel the difference. That's like, I would say, if you're gonna tune your car, you definitely need this modification on this. Definitely. It used to install, it takes like 2 minutes. So check this out. No wheel hop. See, there was no wheel hop. It just kicks you back. And that's the beauty. You have more traction. So definitely, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys get one for yourselves, because this is it's a big difference. You'll feel it. Can't explain it much, but you'll feel it for sure once you get it. Alright, that's it, guys. Stay tuned and be safe out there.